Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for always stopping by. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the bell on in case of anytime you just upload any video, any update, you will be the first person to notify. And please don't forget to like, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section down below. God bless you guys. Yes, my wonderful people, I don't see come back again with another hot date. Now remember this pregnant lady, 22 years old, Faith, wey give her husband, and her husband dey 27 years old, Dafe, for Delta State. Since wey she give the man harrow happy, many updates dey come out, many things wey she don fair talk before she give the man harrow happy. Just 27 years old, is just so bad, and this guy get bright future ahead, and the lady just give the man harrow happy. It's just so bad for me. Well, wetin happen is that, and this lady, now all those kind of women wey dey say, if I can't have that man, no other person wey go get the man. And you know say some women and some men, they use that statement well. I beg my people, anybody wey dey use that statement, make una run for una their life. Because how can someone use that statement, say, if I can't have that man, no other woman can have that man? It's just so bad. That statement is a wrong statement for real. Wetin happen that on Saturday, they can't get little misunderstanding. That one a normal thing wey husband and wife they get little misunderstanding. Now this man come comot for house that on Saturday. The man can't come back on Monday. As he come back, before the man say, may he explain himself where he go. Now this woman just go bring knife, come out, just say give the man harrow IP. It's just so bad for real. And this young guy, brilliant guy like this, the guy just go, how bad, my people? No, it's so bad. And as he give the man harrow IP, I go upload the video where the Dafe friends come dey say, no, this kind of thing no fit take place, this kind of thing no fit take place. It's just so bad for me. For a wife, for a human being to kill another soul wey you no give, wey you no create, it's no matter any misunderstanding wey you get. And secondly, my people, my ladies heart there, if you get little misunderstanding with your husband, not be all men wey comot for house say, maybe they go their girlfriend place. No, if it be say they go their mother place, their friend place, or their sister place, they just want make the quarrel just calm down first before they go come out. Some men they do that kind of thing well for Africa, even this Western world where I did. So, and that kind of thing, it dey happen. And not be all men wey comot for house they go their girlfriend place. Some dey like that, they'll just comot for house, go their mother place or their friend place, even their siblings, their sister, they'll just go there, go she first before the woman go calm down. That one a normal thing wey some men they do. It's just so bad. Where my people, make una watch the video where that a friend they call the shout, and it's just so bad for real. Just give human being harrow IP because of little misunderstanding. No matter how that misunderstanding be, whether na little or na big, but it never reach where woman or person just give another person harrow IP. Life where you no give, life where you no know how that life was created. My people, this one is just so wicked for real. Make una watch the video.
See dead body, Jesus, God, hey boy, hey, see this, hey God, but see, hey, I know this money now. I must see what the woman do. See what the woman do. See what he said because we get come out of sleep mask. He did the guy throw away. What they happen? Hey God, see this money. What they happen? When they bring the woman come outside. When they bring the woman, hey God, what they happen? God.
Oh my God, it's just so painful. Because the guy no sleep house, the lady just get the mind to give the husband harrow IP. No, this one is just so too much for real. Just 27 years old guy, where the guy still get life, he still get a bright future. That lady, it shall never be well with her, and she will pay for this pain wey she cause the family of this guy, the friends and the child wey e born for this guy. It's just so bad for real. Person dey pray make person no marry bad wife, and this lady na person wey she no even get character, and then wetin she write put for her Facebook. My people, I go read the something. I beg my people her dear, if na dey date man or na married to man or woman, I beg, especially those people wey dey use that statement, if I can't have that man or that lady, no other person, make una run for una dear life. Because all those kind of people wey dey use that statement, now dey lead to this kind thing. Haba, it's just so bad for real. Just 27 years old guy just go like that because the guy go sleep outside, and the lady no even know where she go sleep, whether na another place na the guy go sleep na, no, she no know. Make the guy just explain himself. This lady just give the boy RIP. It's just so bad for real, and this lady is so wicked. Abba, no, it's just so touching. When me I read wetin she herself talk, she say I am a freaking jealous lover. If you do not wanna be my worst enemy, do not go near my bubble. Abba, my people, this is so wicked of her. The life of that boy just waste just a second because the guy go sleep outside. If the woman really care about the guy, as far as the guy don enter house that on Monday, wetin she for do? You fit ask the guy where he go, where he stay for that 2 days. I don't know the kind jealousy, I don't know the kind hatred wey he just overcome the lady that very day. He just give the guy RIP. The dream of this guy, the everything, he just waste like that because he married to this evil lady. It's just so bad for me. Abba, no. Just imagine the kind of pain, the pain with the mother, the friends, the family of this guy they pass through right now because the guy go sleep outside. Now this lady just give the man RIP. Just imagine the kind of pain wey the mother, the siblings, the friends wey they pass through right now. It's just so bad for real, my people. No matter the argument wey they get down on Saturday, e never reach wey this lady will just give the guy RIP, and in which she herself they expect the second child from this guy. You no even think of the love wey they don't first share together. No matter wetin the guy do down on Saturday, no matter wetin lead to the quarrel, never reach like that wey this lady will just give the this guy RIP. I pray that God give the family the strength to overcome this great loss. May it so rest in perfect peace. Well, my wonderful people, let me leave you guys for now, and please, all those people when they use that statement, I'm a freaking jealous lover, I don't know where they freaking they go. If I can't have that man, if I can't have that woman, I beg, make una run for una dear life. All those people when they use that statement, I beg, make una run for una dear life. I pray that this guy gets justice for real. He deserves justice. Well, my wonderful people, let me leave you guys for now. Please leave your comment in the comment section down below, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.